Avengers die.
No, there's no die. There's no die.
Avengers end of game. End game. End game! Avengers End Game! What? Hey guys, what's up? This is Alvin here. Alright, I'd like to let you know to go ahead and start out by driving your way over to the subscribe button and clicking that bad boy real quick like. Alright, and then the next thing I want you to do is follow all the sponsors. We're gonna have those in the description below, alright? And just in case y'all can't read.
We're gonna do a vlog about a vlog.
And we're gonna do a vlog about a vlog. It's gonna be, I'm gonna have my helmet on, my race helmet. Yeah!
What's up, y'all? We got a diffuser right here.
All right, we about to install this bad boy. What you think?
All right, I think it's cool, bro.
All right, yeah. What about you?
Let's go. Let's traverse over to Steven's house.
All right, let's go. What's up, everybody? All right, we're over here at Steven's house right now. We're about to got Alvin's car right here. We're about to install the diffuser. That's what it is. So we're about to install that. We got Alvin right here. Steven's coming out right now with the drill.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
Alright.
So,
do you have breaker boxes in here? Oh, there it is.
There we go. This is where it's gonna all be right here. This is where all the magic happens down here. Won't be able to fully see it right now, but we'll get some light in on it later, right? Steven, what you think? What you think so far? Right up in your face, man.
Oh boy.
See, I want if I was in Alvin's position, I'd want to take like a full face shot. You know, I want to take like that full ass shot. No homo. Right? Am I right?
That's reported on YouTube.
Fuck yeah, dude.
That was reported too.
So we jacked the car up, took out the steering wheel. Fuck.
Steering wheel.
Took out the wheels.
We gotta end this.
Because I need to take off the mud flaps for the side portion of the diffuser to fit. What? Side portion, center portion. So mud flaps are coming off, these are coming on, but on the right side, the exhaust tip is in the way, so the extra plastic piece down here is hitting the exhaust tip. So if it's on and I don't take care of this problem, then it's gonna melt into the plastic or melt onto the exhaust tip. So, yeah. Well, now mud flaps are out. We will start with. So James, okay, you hand the light. Oh snap!
My bad.
So this is what we're gonna start with. We are gonna start by unclipping these, that,
And this one over here.
and one more over there, and one more
right
over
here.
there. So just 1, 2,
3.
3, 4 on here.
Oh, one underneath it.
Yeah.
How are we gonna get to that one?
I don't know, dude. So we got the mud flaps out, like I said. We got the clips out. They're right here. Thank you, James. Now there's 2 screws underneath, inside here, on both sides. That's pretty hard to get out, so we're gonna have to see how they get it out. Bam, right here. Old piece is out. This piece of shit.
So do those screws go? Do you not need those screws because you have new ones here? Right?
Oh no, I need those screws.
You need those screws?
I'll put it back in. Okay.
I'll get the light, or grab the light there, so you can see where to push this in. Or put it up here, on this side. There you go.
Rub that down.
Hold on, I'll rub the top down.
We'll clean it. Hey, look, it's the HDMI port. Just take that out and then you get to plug the cable into the charger.
Damn.
Put it up.
Dang. Do you want to wipe that down for him, this thing? Wipe the top down, or do you want to do that real quick? Make it look a little bit nicer. Even though I know.
See about this side. It's not in the clip. Let me see. Hold it up. Like that. Like that.
That's in, bro. Your side's not.
Like it. Let's go under the underbody carriage.
I like this.
Bro.
Bro, that was a lot. Took a lot. We could barely get that screw. We could barely fit the screws in there, and so like that took us a little bit. Trying to figure out how to undo it and then put the screws back in. The screws putting it back in was easier.
Overall, it's on good. It's just
Hey, where'd the X go?
it's just somewhat it's just some nice. It's just some of the screws are being stupid.
Me curvy.
But I had to McDonald's because we're all hungry, and we're gonna refuel before we install the
Yeah, dude, we gotta
both sides of the diffuser.
Heck yeah.
Should be straightforward. Man, Gucci game. Ooh, Gucci game, bro. Ooh, oh. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Let's see here. Damn, there we go. Yo, look at this car. Whoa, dude. Where's my wheels? Here it is.
Hey, where's my phone?
Hey, man. Relax.
I guess just have a fucking
2, 4, 5. Look at these lug nuts right here. Bam. We're back from McDonald's and now we're gonna continue with this. Oh, gangsta, bro. Doing good shit, bro. Oh, that's so hot.
Where's the workout? Oh, get the workout. Hi. What the fuck's wrong with you? Everything.
What's wrong with bacon?
This is called a quarter life crisis right here.
What?
This is called this is called a third life crisis because I don't even think you're living past 60.
Yeah, I don't think I will either.
So it's completed. The side up to the diffuser right here. Back down to this side. Look at that. All right, James. Thank you for your help.
Thank you. Thank you for the teaching.
Thanks, dude. Where did I what?
Where'd this come from? Was it in there?
I think it was in there.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't.
All right, thank you, James. Thank you, Steven. The wheels are torqued down. It's good. Diffuser is on. And now that I think of it, Steven, I don't think I'll be able to run a diffuser on a diffuser in the summer. Because the exhaust is in the way. Then back to James' house. We eating some junk food, like always. But who wanna watch their own vlog, dude? Why wanna watch our own vlog on this vlog, dude? Overall, great day to install some diffuser. Finally showing some love again for the rear end of the car.
Oh,
Thank you.
cool.
Thank you again. Thank you again, Steven.
Hey.
So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Gonna go and edit the vlog at home. Tomorrow we're gonna catch up and hang again after I get off work. We might be doing some bank when we hang out. Me and James and this guy.
This guy.
It's really cool. It's gonna involve that right there too. The bicycle. But yeah. So I'll end it right now and catch you guys on the next one.